Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Outre melted hairline in the style Selene, and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. It has this light yucky texture to it, and it does come with a side part, and that part is on the left side. Prior to filming, I did go in with my tinting spray so that the lace can match with my skin tone, and I also plucked the hairline a little bit for a more natural hairline type of look. First things first, I'm cutting the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting the lace into 3 sections, and to lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Ebin Firm Hold Sensitive Spray. I'm blow drying the spray on a medium heat setting until the spray is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. Then you want to do that same exact process to the other 2 sections of the lace. I'm using my scissors to cut my lace in a zigzag motion, and I like to do this because it gives the lace more of a natural look. And I'm cutting the lace in sections because I like to focus on each section separately and really take my time when I'm cutting the lace off. I'm going in with some alcohol to clean off any excess glue or adhesive spray that was left on the lace. Now I'm going back in with that same adhesive spray, and I'm spraying over the lace to lay down any areas that did not fully lay down the first time. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15 to match the lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and my elastic band to melt the lace. Now I'm pulling a little bit of the baby hairs out so that I can get that deep side part look, and I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck the baby hairs so that the baby hairs could look a little bit more thinner towards the front and more natural. I'm cutting my baby hairs with my Kiss razor. And to style my baby hairs today, I'm going in with the Got2b gel in the black tube. When it comes to baby hairs, it really is more so of a process where you're just playing with the hair, trying to swoop it until you like it. It is a tedious process, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier to do. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to keep the baby hairs in one place so that they don't move or lift up. going back in with my blow dryer and my brush, and I'm just going over the top of this wig so that I can get a nice and flat foundation. Now it's time to brush these curls out, and when it comes to my synthetic wigs, I brush my curls out from the bottom and then work my way up to the top so that I don't run into any knots or tangles during the process. I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting. I'm going over the top of this wig to flatten it and give it more of a natural look as well. At this point, we're pretty much done. The curls are brushed out. The top of the wig is looking nice and flat. And you just want to play around with the hair a little bit until you are happy with the outcome. Lastly, I'm going in with my Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color Natural Beige to enhance my parting space. So here we have the final look, and I am very satisfied with this outcome. I really love the texture on this wig. It's a yaki texture. And I always love a good yaki textured wig because it just gives the hair more volume and it looks more natural as well. And I also feel like the length on this unit is a good length, 22 inches, and it was definitely giving 22. It wasn't too long and it wasn't too short either. This unit is a side part wig. The side part is on the left side, which I don't mind because I typically do my parts on the left side when it comes to side parts, so I was pretty happy about that. Another thing that I like about this unit is the curls and the layers. One thing that I do have to say is Outre, they know how to layer and style a wig. I just feel like this unit gives off a nice day-to-day classy vibe, and I really love that type of vibe because it's not too much and it's a unit that you can wear often. I'm not a big fan of side part wigs, but I am not mad at this side part unit at all. I think it came out really cute and I would definitely buy this unit again. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know how y'all like the unit in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.